Now my little Dio was stuttering. Remember that everything has a cause. And I remember one thing I did when I put this together a while back is I put this rubber gasket on here, and the bottom part didn't fit quite well. So what it's done is this bottom gasket has traveled up into here and was hitting on the belt, and the belt was rubbing on it. So I'll come over here. That is just the coolest cover. I've taken my drive face off, and I put the stock drive face covering on there because it's a it's not the Dio wider drive face. It requires a little bit different pulley boss, but I put brand new 8-gram weights in there. I've looked for any leaks, and there's no leaks. I looked for any problems underneath here, and there's no problems. God, that's a nice thing. I got it. Thanks, Steve. That is absolutely fucking beautiful. I've been looking for years for a chrome one. I've only seen one time, and I couldn't get a hold of it. That's just absolutely cool. And that's the other part I got from Steve that I worked on this winter. I've had it for a number of years. But I'm going to put it back together and give it a try. See if my temperature will come down at all on my temperature gauge. Remember, the machines are always telling us something. As long as we just take time and look at it. Listen to what it's trying to tell you. It shouldn't have any leaks. It should idle really well. Isn't that cool? That's for my choke. But and up here I have a little leak right here of fluid. That could come from this porthole bolt I put here. This is for air escape that I put here. I hope it is. But what I've done, just in case, is I've taken 2 new copper washers and I've sprayed them with that copper coating. Then I'm going to put them down over this, and then I'm going to lock it down with the large nut and then the castle nut. And slowly but surely, this little project is really coming along. It'll probably outlive me. I just love working on it. It's too bad that this model here was discontinued in 2001 in the United States. And they don't sell 2-strokes anymore. The only 2-strokes they sell are the Yamaha. It's called a Zuma in America. And it's called a B-Wiz in the rest of the world. Really, it's a fine motorcycle. I'd love to have one. That or a Ruckus, just so I could tear it down and make videos on it. I mean, I like it, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy a brand new one for personal use. Even though the more Ruckuses I work on, the more and more I like. They're really heavy duty, sturdy, and well built. I'm just really impressed with the Ruckus. It's light years ahead of this Honda, and it's well worth the money if you like a big rig like that. And their top speed's about 38 miles an hour. And we continue by Captain Dio.